C reading, that is Mahatma Gandhi pushed out of train, and it is an extract from screenplay Gandhi. And for the screenplay, I already told you, the writer Richard Braley, he is awarded Oscar, right? So now it is a screenplay. Screenplay means what? I have already told you. Taking an incident, it has been, a dialogue has been put, keeping in view the character and the person enacting it. Keeping in view the character, Mahatma Gandhi character, a very great personality. What kind of dialogues he would put. And here the person who is enacting, right, that these two things, whether he could cope up to that or not, then the dialogue will be set over there. And so that is called screenplay. Incident will be there, the story will be there, but according to the character and according to the person playing that character, the dialogues will be put. That is called screenplay. And before that, the complete stage and all the things, surroundings are clearly described, and how to move, how to gesture, where to put the hands, everything will be taught to the characters through this screenplay itself. Now let us read how it goes. Mahatma Gandhi pushed out of a train, first class coach, South African Railways, interior, night. Time is night, and the place is South African train, interior, not outside, interior, that means in the coach, in the compartment, and that too first class coach, first class compartment inside. Featuring the young Indian, it is the young Gandhi, a full head of hair, a somewhat sensuous face. Only the eyes help us to identify him. Now you see what care has been taken here describing Mahatma Gandhi. Because most of the people, they know Mahatma Gandhi with bald head and a rimmed glasses and bent back and with a staff here. Also only undergarment here and one gamcha here, a watch here. Whenever we think about Mahatma Gandhi, we visualize this only. But here Mahatma Gandhi is different. And so he is very clearly put, featuring the young Indian. It is young Gandhi, a full head of hair, not bald head, full head. Right? The cropping, the coat, everything. But the only eyes will say, yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi. How eyes speak or what? No. By seeing those eyes, we say, yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi. And also there were mustaches were here, but not like this, but somewhat like this mustaches were there, and a long coat having that high neck and the full coat, and he was that. And he was in the first class compartment. He is lost in his book, and there is a slight smile on his face as though what he reads intrigues and surprises him. He grins suddenly at some insight, then looks out of the window, weighing the idea. As he does, the European passes the compartment and stops dead on seeing an Indian face in the first class section. The porter glances at the European nervously. Gandhi pivots to the porter, holding his place in the book, missing the European, who has moved on down the corridor. Altogether, we see the cover of the book, The Kingdom of God is Within You by Lev Tolstoy. Now, what is the thing happened over there that is completely described here? Mahatma Gandhi was reading a book. And what is that book? The kingdom of God is within you. God is within you. Now, Lev Tolstoy says, the complete kingdom of God is within you. That is the book. And he read certain thing over there that made Mahatma Gandhi smile. And the smile may be with enlightenment. I came across a certain new thing, new fact. That means my knowledge has increased. This we can show by our smile. Because yes, I am very happy because I read this. So that was there on his face. He is absorbing that. And he was looking out through the window. While he was looking through window, just he was absorbing that. And so he missed an European passing by, seeing into the compartment and wondering, an Indian in the first class compartment? What is he doing here? That way, the European looked into the compartment and he walked down. This made the porter who brought the luggage of Mahatma Gandhi into the compartment become nervous. Why? He brought the luggage of this Indian and it has been put in the first class compartment and European has seen it. That means now I am in danger. And so he is a bit panicky. And he did not bother for all these things, Mahatma Gandhi, because he was completely engrossed with what he read. He is just simply immersed in what he learnt over there through that book. అతను ఏమిటి చదివాడు, ఆ చదివింది ఎంత గ్రహించగలుగుతున్నాను అని ఒక చిన్న ట్రాన్స్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు మహాత్మా గాంధీ. బయట ఏం జరుగుతుందో చూడలేదు అతను. కానీ సామాను పట్టుకొచ్చిన కూలీ ఉన్నాడు కదా, అతను కంప్లీట్గాను షేక్ అయిపోతున్నాడు. బికాస్ ఒక యూరోపియన్ కిటికీలోంచి చూసి ఇండియన్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ కంపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఉన్నాడా, సంథింగ్ గ్రాస్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఓవర్ దార్ అనుకుని అతను ఆగలేదు, తిన్నగా కిందకి వెళ్ళాడు ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద. అది చూసి ఈ కోహ్లీ కొంచెం వణుకుతున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. అది సిచ్యువేషన్. బికాస్ మహాత్మా గాంధీ డజంట్ నో వాట్ హ్యాడ్ అక్కర్డ్ దేర్. గాంధీ, టెల్ మీ, డూ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ హెల్? చూడండి ఆ డైలాగ్ ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో చూడండి. ఆ పోర్టర్ నిజంగా హెల్లోనే ఉన్న, నరకంలో ఉన్నట్టే బాధపడుతున్నాడు. అతగాన్ని పట్టుకొని మహాత్మా గాంధీ ఏంటి అడిగాడు? డూ యూ బిలీవ్ అబౌట్ హెల్? డూ యూ థింక్ దట్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ఎ హెల్? అంటే నీకు స్వర్గము నరకము అంటే ఈ రెండింటి మీద కొంచెం నమ్మకం ఉందా అని మహాత్మా గాంధీ ఆ పోర్టర్ని అడిగాడు. డైలాగ్ చూడండి ఎలాగొచ్చిందో. అక్కడ ఒక యూరోపియన్ బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు, అతన్నగా వెళ్తున్నాడు కోపంగా చూసి. అంతకన్నా హెల్ ఇంకోటి ఉంటుందా అని పోర్టర్ ఇక్కడ గజగజ వణుకుతున్నాడు. అప్పుడు ఈ డైలాగ్ వచ్చింది. సో యూ కెన్ సింప్లీ అండర్స్టాండ్ ది సిచ్యువేషన్ ఓవర్ దార్. ది క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ రిలెవెంట్ టు ది సిచ్యువేషన్ ఓవర్ దార్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ దిస్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే cinematography. So Porter stares at him blankly. Hell? అతను గజగజ వణుకుతున్నాడు. అప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, ఏంటి నీకు నరకం అంటే నమ్మకం ఉందా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. నరకమా?